Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Xgene and proteinX. Today I'll be focusing on how to get a different kind of plasmid online. So there is one database, that is Addgene. So in this database you will get a lot of different kind of the plasmids as well as vectors, and is huge collection actually. So for that you have to go Addgene plasmid. So home page. So this is the home page of the Addgene. Basically all of the plasmid related product and its Snapgene file, it's available here. So this is the browse catalog. So COVID-19 related all of the plasmids, viral plasmid, genome editing plasmid, lentivirus, DNA hermes. So everything is available here. So if you select plasmid, then after that you can search here, and also it's available like which expression system you want. So different kind of the expression system, different kind of the species, and different vectors also you will get from here. So you have to select. Okay, so let's search one plasmid. For that I'll search one plasmid here. For example, Addgene plasmid I want to search here. It also showing different expression system, so I'll not go through that. It is the mammalian system. So filtered, if we don't select any of this kind of specification, so it will show all of the categories and all of the different kind of the expression system plasmid. So okay, let's start from here. I wanna select this one. So this is basically the mammalian expression system. So Addgene, cloning method, everything is showing here. Click here. So this is the map of this Addgene plasmid, and if you want to get the Snapgene file, you can get also from here. So download Snapgene file. Save it. Let it download. It's already downloaded. So let's open it. It's already opened. So this is how it looks like this at this Addgene plasmid is the map sequence. Okay, the whole plasmid is downloaded. So this is very actually useful and effective way. So if you want to go to the COVID-19 related plasmid, you can click it and all of the this COVID-19 related, all of the vaccines and also other kind of plasmids, it will be showing here. You see the expression, different expression, this is kind of things, mammalian expression of human ACE2. So ACE2, this is basically regarding this COVID-19 cases. Okay, so how you can get all of the plasmids from here. Okay, thank you guys. I hope this video will be helpful.